CR lang. So, close it, the CR. Okay. 1, 2. Kalalabas lang namin from hotel and look at this, guys. Oh, what is that, loves?
Park, babe.
Huh?
It's a park.
Park? Wait a minute. Outside the hotel over here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. A day of my life being addicted in hotels. But for the first time, no free
Starting route
breakfast.
to Publix.
Magna kami ata. So, pwede bayada mi nga $5 di pa nag-park mi. Ang daming ducks. Nagdadakkaw. Ay, yeah, tilapia. Uy, uy, there's a lot. You can eat those? No? Oh, wow. Huh?
As far as I know, those are koi fish.
Oh, wow, there's a lot of fish, huh? Oh, that's cool.
They stop there, right? They put the fish in there.
Yeah.
Look at
The
that.
ducks
Look
eat
at
it.
big.
Oh, loves.
Yeah, look at that big fish right there on the bottom.
Yeah. Good thing that they survive, loves.
Oh yeah. They'll eat. They're
Oh, so I can go out
literate though.
and then do jogging also.
Lots of litter in there.
Look how big they are. Uy, ducky. Nagdadakil. Nagdadakil nga lamis. Lakay. Oh, wow. Kukuha pa yun eh. Sunbathing, shading bathing, love. So, oh, the ducks. The ducks. Ayan, jujutel nga pag-istiyan may kinilapay ko. Ati public store ka ano, Publix. Yung spelling wrong. First day in Jutel. Alright. Mag-study ako ngayon. That's my plan for today while waiting pa yung husband. And kaya ako hindi nakapag-vlog na I woke up like this in the bed. Nadismaya ako, guys, kasi wala yung pinaka-paborito kong ginagawa dito sa hotel. You know what? Yung libreng breakfast. Wala! Okay, aanhin mo yung pagkamahal-mahal na hotel tapos wala naman palang libre. Okay, nanakit diba? Okay, napakang kong rabi kito eh. Okay, pagpayata, kape, nagdabalong ko. If I know na walang free breakfast, nagbalo na kumariji mamon, ngintid ni Kabsat nga, cold deluxe, tayo, di ko nga papakainan eh. Ay, ba na nila kay ko. Punta daw kami sa baba, mag-Starbucks. Kung kininana, hindi nagnina. Panji work nila kay ko. Ate, okay na. Buti na lang, dabalong ka. Tamok nga. Ada 50-50 na ti kape. Kape is life. Okay na. I want breakfast ko. Ayun lang, chichirya na eh. Dapat nagalak ti mamaon. Kinana naman na eh. Ala breakfast mo gayam dito yung Alabama. Ayun, ito ako warne. Damdamain mi napintas nga view. Lumipat kami damdama. Sa baling nga hotel ka no. Kuna na nila kay ko. Okay na naman. Is expectarin nila kay ko nga kaya makita the view. Nadismaya. Okay na. Nadismaya kami nga duwa. Gapon sa amin, gamin na yung pinag-aangawan mo yan, ni Titi, ko na kinaji mungay. Mungay na lang, data.